The glass is amazing. It's almost like having a Whitestone dome glass on my phone. I've been on the search for a screen protector for the Pixel 6 Pro, and if you have too, you're gonna wanna stick around for this video. I'm going to be installing a UV glass screen protector for the Pixel 6 Pro. This is something mobile. Let's see if this screen protector is a good decision for you. In this video, coming up, the brand is known as Mowei, so M-O-W-E-I, and you can find that on Amazon. The brand is based out of Germany. Impact protection, 9H hardness, high clarity, no bubbles, smudge resistant. So before we get to installing this, I'm gonna point out 5 things that I'm looking for in this screen protector in order for me to recommend it to you guys. So it has to be fairly easy to install. It has to have a good adhesive, has to have no bubble application. Fingerprint sensor still needs to work. It also has to be case friendly. Right now I have the Armor Suit. It's a good screen protector. I do recommend it. One question I have is, why is it that Whitestone is not available for the Pixel 6 Pro? This is a patch installation and cleaning kit, 5 of them. These happen to be for the back glass. So 1, 2, 3. And let's look at this glass. It's pretty nice and it doesn't look too thick. And they do recommend that you go to Amazon, watch the video, watch their install. The one thing that this thing is missing that I didn't see in the install video, which kind of worries me a little bit, they didn't have something to block the speaker here. Here's the big light that they have here. It's kind of nice because they do have feet. Yep. Perfect. They give you a razor blade. So these right here are the little pads. So I believe that razor blade is for cutting this right here if you need to. This Mowei screen protector is completely new to me. And I did read some of the reviews on Amazon to get a good idea of what people were saying about it. It does get fairly good reviews. If you guys like espresso, or even if you like coffee, I recommend trying espresso if you've never had it. This is Illy, it's the best in Italy, and this is the Iper Espresso Classico, but this is a Lungo. I'm not affiliated with Illy or anything at all. I just wanted to let you guys know, so that way just in case you guys were interested in coffee, but I've recommended this to friends and they love it. Go to illy.com, you can get a free espresso machine and they'll send you the coffee. It might be a good option for you if you are a coffee drinker. Get it as clean as possible. I watched the video about 3 times, and this right here, I think is probably the most important pad. That one, I think, is what's going to be covering this speaker. Yeah, it's sitting right there. So it's gonna be good. The video showed them putting stickers all the way across the bottom. So I mean, it works. It's better than nothing, I guess. Sorry guys for the tarantula fingers. That's what I call the hair here. For the videos, I will wax my fingers, but I haven't had time. So I feel like I need to use more of those stickers. I really want to cover up the volume rocker, the power button. The mic should be blocked, hopefully, by the little foam pad here. I think that should be blocked too. Yeah, that's a SIM card tray. The SIM card tray has a little bit of a washer to seal it off from liquid. So I think that I'm better off going with the mic. This part here goes there. If anybody's gonna mess it up, it would be me. This isn't really a tutorial. My goal is to show you guys if it's a viable option. Did I say viable? A viable option. You know what? I could cut that right there to make it fit, but the whole thing fits in there. And I want it to be as tight as possible right there. So razor blade, not needed in this scenario. I don't know why I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling heated right now. I'm nervous. I don't know why. Doesn't really matter, really. But yeah. I'm nervous about this install. All right, hopefully it goes good. So this is supposed to go here, like so, like that. That holds that right there. So I've got the USB-C cable, just gotta make sure that's working. And it is, so yeah, unplug it for now. So simple enough. I do like that you don't have to put a sticker right here. I love that right there, it's perfect. I like this design more than Whitestone Dome on the sides here as well. The bumpers hug the phone a little bit better. It just feels safer. I like how basic and simple yet effective this installation process is. There's somebody in my comments, I forget, I think it was Gerald Gold, I believe. He said that you need to try Mowei, and I hadn't tried it yet. So far, I'm impressed. Wait, does it matter which one is top and which one's bottom? Yeesh, I don't know. I'm gonna assume that it doesn't really matter. Hopefully we have a level surface. That's kind of important. I don't know if this unscrews. Nope, it doesn't. So that just comes off, and there's a little tab right here that you need to break off right there. Okay, so let's break that off. I guess I can break it off over this. No, I'm gonna pull it over here because my finger dust will probably come off on there. They did say put it at least in 2 separate locations. So the tab's open, now I can squeeze it. And I got dust on it, and we don't want bubbles. So the least amount that we make this splash the better. So what's up? It doesn't seem to want to come out of here too easy. I'm going to put that back on there a little bit and squeeze it out. Yeah, screwing that down, it allows me to just kind of squeeze it out to make sure it's all out. I think that's it. That's all the glue. Oh, one thing I forgot. It said put weights. So I'm gonna go get 3/4. Have those ready. Hopefully I don't forget those like I almost did. Here goes. I'm nervous. Let's see what happens. And sure enough, there's a bubble right there in the middle. Let's see if I can push it out. Yeah, there's no getting that bubble out of there. Do I lift? How do I get that out? I think I got it. I chased it out. The screen protector fell right where it needs to. Yeah, I think I got it. There was one more right here, and I don't see it. So that one was saved. Installation is going okay, I guess, so far. There's nothing to show us where the fingerprint sensor is, but I have a feeling it's right here. Do I drop all the quarters at once? Yeah. Okay, good enough. Well, it's better than nothing. 30 seconds on this side, and then we'll go to the next side. All right, so let's see how well this thing is set up. And it is kind of wedged in there, which I really do like. I happen to have a bunch of alcohol swabs, which I'm going to get right now because this is going to be a mess. I've done multiple installs of Whitestone dome glass and foam. Pretty experienced when it comes to this. I'm by no means a professional, but I do know at first it's scary. I have to admit, it's a scary thing to do. I will have a pretty good idea on what kind of installation process this will be like comparing to the others. Right now, you want to be careful because the glue isn't really set up. And here I am saying this isn't really a tutorial. Be careful right here along the edges because it's not really cured all the way yet. And you could accidentally push up on the edges here. You have to redo the install, which is okay. If you do, don't panic. It'll be all right, not a problem. The sticker actually held really good. I was a little bit leery of these stickers actually working. They did a good job. Let's see if the glue went inside of the speaker. I don't think it did. I think that it's nice and clear. We'll soon find out. One of the most important things is to keep this glue out of the ports. All right, so we're gonna do another minute on this side, and we're gonna do another minute over here. So it looks like there's nothing there. The glass is amazing. So far, first impressions of this, it's almost like having a Whitestone dome glass on my phone. The color in the Google logo looks amazing. Touch sensitivity seems to be good. They do make the screen protector come up on the edges a little bit. It doesn't go all the way down to the sides, and they do that so it makes it case friendly. Let's see if I have to rescan my fingerprint. Yeah, not recognized, not recognized. This is the part that's going to make or break somebody's experience with this screen protector. Let's see what happens. And it works. Look at that. Did I speak too soon? Yeah, it worked on the other side of my fingerprint. Use like the base of your finger instead of the tip, and it actually seems to work a little bit better. This is the Spigen, and the top is not touching, right? Nope. See the sides? Does it fit okay? On the bottom? Yeah, the glass goes right up against the edge of this case. And this case does actually come up pretty far on the sides. So I'm thinking we're good. I don't know if this would work with a Defender Pro. That might be something that you might want to consider. It reads my fingerprint, but only when it kind of wants to. I would say it's a 6 out of 10 when it comes to reading that. But this screen protector is a really nice screen protector, all right? It's got nice oleophobic coating. It was fairly easy to install. It has good adhesive from what I can see. There were a couple bubbles in there that I had to get out, but I got those out. So the no bubble thing, yeah, I think we can say that it has no bubbles. And it is case friendly. The one thing I would say I would want this screen protector to have is a better fingerprint sensor. So the fingerprint sensor works worse than any other screen protector I have used. And I could have probably done the install a little bit better, maybe use more weight, push it up against the screen more. But yeah, this fingerprint sensor sucks. This is a finger licking good screen protector. And what do I mean? You have to have a damp finger. Your thumbprint won't show enough no matter what. So your thumb has to be damp. That means when you lick your finger, you put it on here, it should read it better. That is kind of like a way to kind of cheat this and make it work, but I don't think that's an option really, because nowadays it's probably not a good idea to be licking your finger because of people wanting to be a little bit more safe. Probably not the best thing to do, but if you do that, it actually does want to read your finger. All right, let's go ahead and play some music. Sounds good. This has been Mike. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell icon to the right, subscribe button. You'll be notified for future videos like this one in the future. This is Something Mobile. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I helped you guys decide on whether or not you should try this screen protector or not. I like it. I wish the fingerprint sensor was better, but it's not. It's what we have. It's all we have. All right, guys. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Happy holidays. Bye.